is Mr D.I.Y. Now I've done a video on one of these, the one over in Sopperton once before, but they're sort of all over the place and they're pretty good shops really. They got a lot of little knickknacks and things, and it's pretty well priced. And this is a big shop, it's like 3 stories this one. So, especially if you lose your phone charger or something like that, it's a good spot to come, you know. Buy electric plugs and chargers and things like that. But they normally got a little tool section. Little files there. Little files. Yeah, these would be alright for me 29,000 for me angle grinder or me drill, cordless drill. Little wire brush to clean shit up. I might grab that actually. Yuli's going to carry that, ain't he, darling?
Itu ada basket.
Tape measures. I need new tape measures. The thing with tape measures here is they've all got metric and imperial. You can't just buy metric ones. They've all got both. Tools, that's what I want. So 240,000 for a little 1/2-inch drive socket, so it's pretty cheap. It's only a Chinese one, but pretty cheap. Screwdrivers, pliers, a few little knickknacks. It's a good place to come and buy tools, especially things like if you go to a proper hardware, drill bits and stuff, because drill bits are really expensive in Australia, you know. Haven't seen these before. These are the mosquito, like a tennis racket, mosquito squatter, and you turn them on there like electric, and when you swipe the mosquitoes, it goes zap, zaps them. Clocks. Geez, I could do a whole video just on this shop. Easy. We definitely need a new clock. 80,000, fairly cheap. Alright, and then we've got sunnies in here. If they've got any Polaroids. 15,000. Which is what, $1.50, you know? 15,000 cheap as. On the beach they're all like 50 and 100,000, so. The Maverick ones, 26,000. Wow, they're cheap here. Look at these, 10,000, less than $1. Girl sunnies. Cable ties. If you're travelling, always on your bag when you lock it together, you've got 2 zippers, there'll be a little hole. We always cable tie instead of putting a padlock on it when we travel. Some shower heads. It's basically got everything from homeware to carware to, you know, knickknacks, and it's a good shop, very cheap. What I was looking for was one of these little things where you put your telephone on, but they got a little umbrella over the top to keep your phone cool. So I've been looking for one of them lately. 20-volt cordless hammer drills, 860, so it's about $80. You can get them a lot cheaper. Alright, so we are going to get a clock. Which one? I'm sure whichever one when we pick it'll be broken. I think a different colours, purple. Alright. It's not too big. It's 50,000, 57,000, about $5. That'll do. Even got cheap watches, look. $5 for a little watch. So the ones are selling them on the beach for a lot more. Looks alright too, look at it. Look at these fake Casio ones. $6. Looks alright, doesn't it, for $6. Little multi-function knife. It's got everything, little screwdrivers on it and a corkscrew and all that. They're like 30,000, like $2.80 or something. I'll grab that, put it on my key ring. Fake G-Shock one, $6. Pretty cheap, man. Oh, this one's got a compass in it. $7. So she's just saying upstairs has got like kitchenware and stuff like that. But yeah, it's not too bad. Electric shavers. Huh? Yeah, it's 3 floors. I don't want to walk up there. There's no lift, is there? Little portable fans, things like that. Yeah, it's a good little shop. Okay, assuming we're not doing a vlog just on this place, we'll yeah, we'll just grab that stuff and we're out of here. Okay, so we are doing the second floor. Yuli wants to look. This is all kitchenware. Household ware, kitchenware. Oh, stainless steel wok. 100,000. Cheap. That's all we need, stainless wok. And a new kitchen knife. Alright, that's the second floor. Are we going to do the third floor? How do you get up to the third floor? No lift, third floor. Alright. She said, good for my heart. Give me a heart attack, you know. And this is, oh, I've got a lot of shoes and thongs up here. 25,000 for swallows. Cheap, good. Pillows. Apparently there's a lot of kids' toys in here. Stationery stuff. Ooh, Kenzo would like this. Look, I should get him a little Thor set. It's got the hammer and the arm guards. A bow and arrow. Let him shoot Yuli all day. She'd love that. But he's a bit young for weapons, so we're not going to weaponise him yet. Push bike gear. Badminton, tennis rackets. Stuffed toys, girls' toys, whatever. Ooh, Transformers. Trucks. He's got that many trucks, little Kenzo. And what he does is pulls them apart to see if he can put them back together again. He's real mechanical minded, you know. Rips the wheels off them and destroys them, basically. And picture frames. That's about it for the third floor. Good shops. They're really are good shops and really well priced too. The Grambo set. Oh, it's not Rambo, it's Grambo. Alright. No small cars. You just end up all over the place. Nothing. He's got toys coming out of his ears, that kid. Faster, girl, faster. You're only 45 and you're slower than an 80-year-old.
Oh, 1,800.
Alright. Oh, now she's found cat clothes. Look. No, you're not putting no clothes on the cats. No, not on Winnie, pregnant fat Winnie. No. Right, so we got a clock, hairbrush, and my little pocket knife, and me.
Shopping bag?
Nah, we're right. Yeah. Alright, he's going to test the clock, make sure it works.
Okay.
Oh, it's smooth, it doesn't tick. Alright, fair enough.
Yeah.
It's alright, it's only $5 clock.
Yeah.
Kalau tick 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 tick's annoying.
It's alright.
Yeah, I know.
No noise, yeah. So all that was 140,000, about 13 bucks.
Yeah.
Cheap as. Mr D.I.Y. Good shop. Every time we go in there, buy some silly little knickknacks that we just don't need. Really his favourite shop. Alright, that's about it. We're out of here.